Hi everybody, this is a follow-up on my Miele W1 washing machine saga. As you may recall from my other video, if you happen to watch it, I've been, for about 2 months now, I've been having a problem where the touch panel, according to how it was diagnosed, is not working. I'll give you a small demo here. So, for those that may or may not comment on it, we've tried everything. I've had about 2 or 3 techs come out and try everything, and it's still not working. Now, you're wondering, if you had the techs come out, did they order the part to replace? And the short answer is yes. So they called Miele, they ordered the part, and they told them specifically to send the chipboard that goes in this part. And the knuckleheads over at Miele sent me this. Which is literally a glorified piece of freaking plastic, right? It's essentially just the front plastic panel. I don't know where the communication fell apart. If the words chipboard or motherboard or brain were inserted in a conversation where some dumbass over at Miele decided that this was the solution to the problem. Sure enough, after I received the part, 2 other techs came by. As you can see, I have the dryer as well, so then they had to send 2 people because it's heavy, blah, blah, blah. And they took this apart, and just for shits and giggles, they tried taking the chipboard. And actually, this right here is the new plastic part, and put the chipboard on a new thing to see if it would work. Maybe it is maybe the problem would have been with the actual panel, just to make sure. And sure enough, nothing's happening. So it's obviously the motherboard. Something is wrong with the motherboard. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you guys know, anybody in the market to purchase this machine. When the machine worked, it was great. I've only used it maybe 12 times in the last 6 months. Since COVID, I haven't had to do much laundry, or that often. I've had it since November or December of last year, of 2020. It's August of 22 now, and I haven't used it for a month and a half, almost 2 months now, because of this problem. So technically, give or take 6 or 7 months that I've had the machine, and I've only used it like maybe 12-ish times, once or twice a month kind of thing, if that, and this is happening. And like I said, for over a month now, I've been waiting for Miele to solve the problem, to remedy the situation, no matter in what mode I put in. As you can see, nothing works, etc., etc. And yes, like I said, I've tried everything from resetting, from plugging and unplugging, to checking the back, to cleaning everything to make sure that nothing else is causing the issue. And as it was diagnosed, the chipboard in there needs to be replaced. And these idiots send me just the front panel. All right, guys, I hope this helps anyone in the market to buy one of these things, to make the right decision, as in don't. And so far, I'm pretty happy with their dryer. I'm hoping that the same thing won't happen with the dryer. And like I said, these are great machines when they work, but Miele has let me down, and they are just not good. Not a good company. Just not a good company to work with. All right, have a good one.